Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. CES 2019 drone announcements. We'll have that coming right up. Coming up in Las Vegas, Nevada on January 8th, 2019 to January 11th, 2019 is CES 2019. The theme this year for CES is Are You CES Ready? Now I'm going to go ahead and put the first slide up on the screen to tell you what CES is about. CES, formerly the International Consumer Electronics Show, International CES, showcases more than 3,900 exhibiting companies, including manufacturers, developers, and suppliers of consumer technology, hardware, content, technology, delivery systems, and more. A conference program with more than 300 conference sessions and more than 170,000 attendees from 150 countries. To give you a flavor of what it looks like out at CES, I'm going to go ahead and roll a short clip right now. Okay, I'm going to put the next slide up on the screen, and it talks about official show locations. With 11 official venues, CES spans more than 2.5 million net square feet of exhibit space and features 24 product categories and more than 20 marketplaces. To help you navigate, venues are grouped into 3 geographical areas: Tech East, Tech West, and Tech South. Now, on the same slide, product categories and marketplaces ranging everything from 3D printing to wireless devices and services, and of course, drones is in that list as well. Now, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the actual listing of venues. Now, I'm putting it up a Las Vegas map that shows the three venues: Tech East, Tech West, and Tech South. We'll go ahead and move on to the next slide that actually shows a breakdown of what the exhibit halls look like at Tech West, Tech South, and Tech East. Now, the next slide we're going to go ahead and put up is where the drones are located, and they're located in Tech East. Now, it's very interesting that DJI and Autel Robotics will be there along with Unique. What noticeably absent is Parrot, and I was surprised to see that. One of the other items of note is Unique will be in a separate hall. They will not be in the same hall as DJI and Autel. And DJI and Autel are they're only one booth apart from each other, which I also thought was very interesting. Now, as we all know, Autel Robotics has had a fantastic year with the Evo. They announced that at CES 2018, and I believe it came out, I believe it was June or July this year. And with 4K, 60 frames per second, it is a fantastic drone. It takes incredible footage. I've seen it myself. I've actually flown it. It has been a fantastic drone. One of the things that I can tell you right now is I would expect during the holiday season coming up here for 2018, you will probably see some price breaks on the Autel Evo, so pay attention for that. But I do have it from some industry insiders that Autel will be releasing a Evo with a 1-inch sensor at CES 2019. Again, I do have some information from industry insiders that Autel will be releasing a Autel Evo with a 1-inch sensor at CES 2019. So keep your eyes and ears open for that. And of course, if I find out any additional information before the event, be sure to watch Bill the Drone Reviewer, because I will get that information on there. As far as DJI is concerned, I have some videos coming out on that over the weekend, so they're going to be very interesting. So you definitely want to tune in to make sure that you watch those. And I think probably the biggest clue that something is going to happen, Valerie and I are making plans to attend CES 2019. And when we do get those plans firmed up, we will definitely let you know, and I'll definitely be doing a video on that. Question of the day: what do you think will be revealed at CES 2019 regarding drones? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.